Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, now let's start the another phylum of animal kingdom, which is Hemichordata. This phylum Hemichordata is earlier included into this phylum Chordate as in subphylum. Okay, but now it is included into these non-chordates as in separate phylum Hemichordata. तो इसी phylum हेमिकॉर्डेट की हम बात कर रहे हैं जो नॉन कॉर्डेट्स के अंदर इंक्लूडेड है. दिस हेमिकॉर्डेटा वर्ड्स मींस half chordate, hemi or half chordates. So they have some characteristics related with chordates. That's why they are known as hemichordate or half chordate. So we can use word half chordate also, or they can be known as the pre-chordate. These all animals, they are these hemichordate. These animals are marine animals. They are marine animals, and they are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and true coelomic animals. तो जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक की अगर हम बात करें, they are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and true coelomate. They are coelomate and true coelom होती है इनके अंदर. So these are the some general characteristics of these hemichordates. These hemichordates, they live in a burrows and they form U-shaped burrows. उन burrows के अंदर रहते हैं. The body of these worms could be a worm-like, means they are worm-like. Just see the important example of these hemichordates. Two important examples जो है. First is balanoglossus, and the another one is saccoglossus. These are the examples of hemichordates. These balanoglossus are also known as tongue worms. Because of their structure, their shape, they are known as tongue worms. As the names indicate, हमें नाम से ही आइडिया लग रहा है that they have worm-like body. तो इनकी जो बॉडी होती है वो worm-like body होती है. And they have organ system level यहाँ पे organization मिलता है. Worm-like body है and their body is divided into the 3 parts. It is divided into 3 parts. वो कौन-कौन से parts होते हैं? 3 parts of their body. 3 parts of their body. First one is proboscis. Another one is collar. And the next part is trunk. Proboscis, collar and trunk. The body is divided in these 3 parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. As you said that their body is the worm-like body. तो worm जैसी जो body है, इन्हीं body के अंदर 3 parts होते हैं. The upper triangular shaped part is known as proboscis. Then later छोटा जो part है, that is the collar part, and this later one part is long part is known as trunk part. That is the trunk. The anus is present at the trunk. Trunk पे ही anus present होता है, means they do not have tail. Tail होती तो tail will move further of the anus, but they have just the anus at their end part. तो anus यहाँ पे इनके trunk पे end पे present होता है. In their proboscis part, they have mouth. Proboscis में present है इनका mouth. They have mouth in their proboscis part, and they have some proboscis glands also. These glands are responsible for the excretion. So they do excretion. ये excretion के लिए होती है glands, proboscis glands in their proboscis part or their upper part. जो ऊपर का part है वहाँ पे present है. Now let's come on to the collar part. In the collar part they have stomochords. Stomochords present होती है. This stomochord is a structure which is a cord-like structure, but it's not actually the notochords. It's a cord-like structure which is outgrowth of buccal cavity, but it's not a notochord. It's look like notochords, or it could be called as a little notochord, but it's not a notochord. And due to the similarity of this cord-like structure, they are considered as an hemichordates. Okay, this stomochord is present in their collar region. Now trunk region, this trunk region is divided into the 3 parts. 3 parts कौन-कौन से होंगे? The first one is branchial part, that is the branchial part. Next is hepatic part, and the third one is abdominal part. Third one is abdominal part. So these are the three parts of their trunk. In the branchial parts, they have gills through which they can do the gases exchange. So gills are present, so they have means branchial respiratory structure, or branchial respiration is found here. These gills are present in their branchial part of the trunk through which gases exchange is done. In the hepatic part, they have their all the organs and glands like structures are found in the hepatic part. And then abdominal part is, abdominal cavity is there, and the anus is at the end of this part. Anus जो होगा इसके end part पे present होगा. So this is about their body. Now circulatory system open होगा. So let's write here circulatory system is open type. ओपन टाइप सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है. वेदर दे हैव द ब्लड वेसल्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं, बट फिर भी यहाँ पे जो सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है वो ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम कहलाता है, क्योंकि ब्लड वेसल से बाहर ब्लड फ्लो करता है. एंड दे हैव अ पंपिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो. एक पंपिंग स्ट्रक्चर होगी जो ब्लड वेसल्स के अंदर ब्लड को फिर से ट्रांसपोर्ट करने का या सेंड करने का काम करेगा. एंड दिस पंपिंग स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज lacuna. This is the pumping structure which pump the blood into the blood vessel. Now let's talk about their reproductive system. In the reproductive system, we can say that they are unisexual, means sexes are separate. They have different sexes, and fertilization is external fertilization. Development is indirect development, means they form the larva. The most important larva of this Balanoglossus is the Tornoria larva. Tornoria larva is the most important larva in the case of these hemichordates, or in the case of Balanoglossus. So this is about their reproductive system. Here we discuss about the phylum Hemichordata. This Hemichordata is also known as half chordate, and the important example of these hemichordate is Balanoglossus and Sagoglossus. These two are the very important examples of hemichordates. Their body is divided into the three parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. In the proboscis, they have mouth part, and they have the proboscis glands which work as an excretory organ. Excretion is done by these proboscis glands. In the collar part, they have stomochord, that is a cord-like structure. In the trunk part, which is divided into three parts, they have the gills for the gases exchange, and these are the branchial gills through which gases exchange in done. And they have the open circulatory system, and lacuna is the structure, that is a body part which pumps the blood into the blood vessels. And they have indirect development, and most important larva which is formed in these worms are Tornoria larva. So that's all about these phylum Hemichordata.